probably 6-8 months ago, I found these local auctions, little things, and everyone kind of gave me a hard time because I kind of got hooked on some of these fun toys, fun stuff, things I really didn't need, but of course you had to have. And ended up selling a few things on eBay. In the end, I probably made a profit on everything I bought and then have a bunch of extra stuff. So that's cool. And a few months after I started doing doing some of the auction stuff, Rebecca, who was giving me a hard time before, starts buying stuff and saying, are you gonna go pick up stuff at the auction today? And I said, not really. She goes, well, I need you to pick up stuff at the auction. I bought stuff. So she has a problem as well now. Yeah, it might have escalated. We'll know more. I'll keep you informed. I'm here to pick up a pallet I don't need.
Take it back to the back of the truck.
There you go, perfect. Here we go.
You good?
I think we're good.
Alrighty.
Hey, well done.
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh. I think we're taking side streets. All right, made it home. Beautiful day. Time to start the unboxing. So, initial impressions. This is actually what I bought it for. I don't think it's what I think it is, but we keep going. Have no idea. Something's jiggling around in there. This was funny. Reason for return. Wrong dimensions, Wayfair. Stop misleading people. So, that's a table. That's an oak table, actually. We got a tool chest. No clue, but it was heavy. That may be solar panels underneath. And that was heavy as well, but this was light. I don't know. Here we go. So it is exactly what it said it is. A 9-foot floating water pad. Okay. We own a bumper. I don't know what it's for. It's got side steps. It's a truck. I guess we're gonna have to do some research. Well, we have another bumper. We are in the auto parts business now, but this one has information. So if your truck needs a new bumper, rear step, compatible with a Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra. Yeah, I had no idea. No clue. Until I saw this. Looks like we own a bird cage. We don't have a bird. All right. Got a power inverter and 4 solar panels. So I think we'll go ahead and keep that guy. No need to resell it. I did look up on Amazon. It was $160 new. So, all right, things just got exciting. And by exciting, meaning this is a truck bed cover, and I just tried it on my truck. Mind you, I have one, but it's old. They're like $300. Let's try it. Yeah, I think we've got more bumpers. I'm gonna unload them. Yep, more bumpers. Of which, I have no idea what kind of car this goes to. Anybody in the comments have any idea? It's back bumper here, front bumper. I got nothing. We also have a table. I don't know where to find that one. So, been lots of fun. It was like Christmas, just I was the bad kid. So that took forever. Recap of the day. Say hi, Bear. Zadie's back there too. She's on the other side. There she is. See her? Hi, Zadie. We put a new truck cover on my truck. Happened to work out. Holy cow. Just figured out, you know, got rid of the old one, put a new one on. And so upgrade there. We kept the toolbox thing. That was $160. The bed cover was probably close to $300. So that was a win. We have 3 sets of bumpers, one of which we know the brand type of the car. The other 2, got no idea. My guess is I'm probably going to throw out the plastic one. And that bird cage, I looked it up, it's like $900. So it looks like I'm going to put together a bird cage to take some pictures, then take it back down again and box it up and sell it. So, yay, that was a win. In the end, $220 to buy it. May make $500 on the bird cage after all said and done. If I can get $150 on the bumper, $650 plus I keep $300, $400 worth of stuff. And totally lost an entire day of my day off. Don't know if it was worth it. Oh, and slit the hand open. Yay, that was fabulous. Luckily, don't need stitches. So, but all right. Hope that everyone enjoyed that.